Okay, hello buddies. This is Henry Intelligent Block Machine Manufacturer, and as I'm standing here, is our factory, the workshop area. And today we would like to make an introduction for the fully automatic hydraulic block making machine. So later we try to test each block making machine one by one. Yeah, and in my back, uh, there are three different models. Of the fully automatic hydraulic block making machine, and normally it will come with the necessary equipment to combine it to be a production line, like the concrete batching plant with the three hopper. It's called a PLD 1200. This model, and from the batching plant will come with the conveyor machine, and from the conveyor machine will be to the concrete mixer. From the mixer will be another conveyor belt to the block making machine, and finally the last equipment is called a block stacker, which will stack the blocks one pallet by one pallet. And okay, just like this model. This model is our QT6-15, the fully automatic block machine. And also it will be equipped with our production line. And over there, this model is our QT5-15. And over there is our QT4-20, and all of the three models is fully automatic block making machine. And what you can see here is this one is the pellet feeding machine. The pellet feeding machine, 上百级哈. And the function for this pellet feeding machine is help the operator to save the labor. That means instead of the labor manually feeding the pellets into the pellet box, this will be mechanic feeding the pellets, and also will prepare the pellets to be the prepared and feeding the pellets into the pellet box. 拉近点. And this one is the channel for the pellet. Normally you will use a forklift to load maybe 10 pieces of the pellets over here instead of the manual, right? So the machine will be transferred the pellets to be here, over here, and over here, and also it will lift up the pellets and over here. So the machine with this handle will be prepare the pellets to be very very fixed. And after the pellet will be transferred from this location to the pellet box. So and later on you will see how this pellet feeding machine works, very 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 in detail. And over here is the batching machine. And this batching machine with three hoppers, and with the three hoppers, the first one, second one, and third one. So if you have the different kinds of material like sand, river sand, soft sand, and stone dust, or the gravel, or the stones, or some the coin cinder. The coin cinder, in some countries the coin cinder is called a waste material, but you can buy it at a very lower price to get this cinder. So cinder is also a good material for making the concrete blocks. So what I think is with this hopper you can use a loader, to offload those material into each hopper. So with different the motors will be transferred a different material into this wing hopper. So by weighing the correct the weight, so we can calculate how many kilograms of the cinder, or how many kilograms of the sand. So you will after mixing, you will get the correct the ratio or the percentage mixture. So it's so normally I think if you plan to buy a big production capacity of the block machine, this batching plant is necessary for you to choose. Yes. And over here is the concrete mixer. So just like I just explained to you, the pellet feeding machine will be feeding the pellets to the pellet box, and after the pellet feeder cylinder will be push the pellets one by one to the block machine for using. I want to show you here, like Genie. You see, 能看清吗？把它自己油盐看着，把这个拍了 ，hold on，纠一下。You see this waves is made by the Yuking, right? This one is a famous brand, Yuking, and it's a German brand, Japanese brand. It's Yuking. Okay, this one we use the Yuking brand for the waves. The waves function is to receive and to produce the new signal to the block machine. After the waves receive the signal from the PLC of the controller box, right? So it will guide and to move forward next processing for the block machine. So you can see with this, I think this one should be the best brand of the waves, hydraulic cylinder waves. So the quality is guaranteed. It will be very nice. And you can see our the hydraulic oil hose. We also use very good quality, and the bearing pressure, it can be up to be, you see, 35 ampere. So that will be very good. See, hydraulic hose, right? Rubber hose, wiring, rubber hose. So with this one, it can last more than 10 years. It's no problem. And for the motors will be used on the hydraulic station, we can take user like Siemens or ABB as you want. That means some customer think these two brands will be more easier for you to exchange in case the motors get broken. But normally we will use our national standard in China, like the Shambo or the Huaxing, the brand. It's also a very good brand, very good quality. So like the Shambo company, this company manufacture the motor is more than 70 years history. So that means his life is the same as the China country, So and here is the controller. It's controller cabinets. All of the frame of the iron we take used very strong and very thick. And also for the buttons, all of the buttons we take use the very good quality, very good quality. So the life can be last more than 10 years is no problem. Every time you touch it, no, it can last a long life, a long life. There. Okay, here is the heart. Is the heart for the controller cabinets. And also, as the requirement for our customer, we take use the converter, the frequency converter. So it can help you to save the electricity consumption, and also at the same time, it will to adjust the speed of the electric motor. No, electric vibration motor. So the times you need the machine to be rolling more faster, this one, the frequency converter will give the signal to the machine to let it rust to faster. And also you can see all of the switch with the switch quality you can scatter, right? Scatter. Mm. And like this model should be our wholesale model. The model's name is called QT4-20, but some competitors like to call it QT4-18 or QT4-16. But those competitors use the material or the function or the design is a little similar with our oil. Yeah. You can see the frame of our machine will be more strong than others. And also we will design the protection nets besides the block machine, to try to protect the labors while the operation of machine. Because sometimes the while it's vibration, maybe the stones will be flying away, so will be give the hurt to the workers. But with this protection head, they can protect you. But this model, because it's a smaller hydraulic block making machine, so normally we will equip a cheaper price of the mixer. So you can see the mixer. This pan mixer will be more easier to be used. Uh, ，OK 吧？So my friend, I have a question here. So maybe of course we will provide you different series of the block machine, like the fully automatic concrete block making machine, and also the semi-automatic, the simple production line, or the manual block machine. Which one you like? You can leave your comments on my videos. Our team will, add your WhatsApp or send your email and give you the price list for you to select. And also, so which one you will be like is depending on your expense of the investment. So, or you do think how many days you can get back your investment money after managing such a block factory. So all of the questions you can leave your comments on my videos. I will try to give you, the answer one by one. But sometimes maybe we are busy, but when I get free times, I will reply to you on timely. Yes, and thank you so much for your the times and the valuous time to watch my videos. And I will thank you in advance for your uh, for your comments, for your sharing. You can share my videos to your Twitter or to your Facebook. Yeah, or your comments will be highly appreciated when you do that. Thank you guys. Bye bye.